Hello viewers, I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video, and I pray that Allah Almighty showers His countless blessings on you and your family. So let's start. Our today video topic is exploring stunning backsplash patterns for kitchen spaces. The kitchen is the heart of every home, and adding a backsplash is an excellent way to infuse style, personality, and functionality into this vital space. Backsplashes not only protect the walls from splashes and spills but also serve as a design element that can elevate the overall aesthetic appeal of the kitchen. With a plethora of options available, from classic to contemporary, we delve into a world of exquisite backsplashes patterns for kitchen spaces, from timeless subway tiles to intricate mosaic designs. Let us explore. Subway tiles have stood the test of time and continue to be a popular choice for kitchen backsplashes. These rectangular tiles, typically measuring 3 by 6 inches, offer a clean and timeless look, available in various materials such as ceramic, glass, or even stainless steel. Subway tiles can seamlessly blend into any kitchen style. The classic white subway tile creates a crisp and bright atmosphere, while colored or textured options provide a unique twist, versatile and easy to clean. Subway tiles are an enduring choice that complements both traditional and modern kitchen designs. Mosaic patterns. If you desired a backsplash that adds a touch of artistic flair, mosaic patterns are a perfect choice. Mosaic backsplashes utilize small tiles or glass pieces to create intricate designs, patterns, or even picturesque scenes. From geometric shapes to floral motifs, the possibilities are endless. Mosaic patterns can be customized to match your kitchen color scheme and personal preferences. They can be a focal point that adds drama and visual interest, transforming your kitchen into a work of art. Whether you prefer a contemporary mosaic or a more traditional mosaic with a Mediterranean vibe, these options offer endless creativity and personalized touch. Geometric design. Geometric designs are a modern and captivating choice for kitchen backsplashes. From hexagons to chevron patterns, geometric designs can create a bold and visually striking impact. The repetitive patterns add depth and textures to the kitchen, making it a compelling focal point option for contrasting colors or utilize varying shades of a single color to enhance the geometric effect. Geometric designs are suitable for both minimalist and eclectic kitchen styles, and they offer a contemporary twist that can harmonize with various decor themes. Herringbone. Herringbone patterns provide a sophisticated and elegant touch to kitchen backsplashes. This pattern is achieved by arranging rectangular tiles or planks in a zigzag pattern, creating a visually captivating effect. Herringbone backsplashes can be executed with traditional materials like ceramic or porcelain tiles, or you can explore unconventional options like wood or even marble. The timeless appeal of herringbone adds a sense of luxury to the kitchen space, elevating its overall aesthetic, whether used as a subtle accent or covering the entire backsplash area. Herringbone patterns bring a touch of refinement to any kitchen design. Moroccan inspired tiles. For those seeking a bohemian or exotic vibe, Moroccan inspired tiles are an excellent choice. These tiles often feature intricate and colorful geometric patterns, bringing warmth and vibrancy to the kitchen. Moroccan tiles are handcrafted and can be used as a focal point behind the stove or sink, or they can be incorporated into the entire backsplash area. With their unique designs and bold colors, Moroccan inspired tiles infuse a sense of adventure and charm into the kitchen space, making it truly one of a kind. Pair these tiles with earthy tones and natural materials to create a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. The backsplash is an opportunity to showcase your personal style and enhance the beauty of your kitchen. Whether you prefer the timeless elegance of subway styles, the artistic allure of mosaic patterns, the contemporary appeal of geometric designs, the refined sophistication of herringbone, or the bohemian charm of Moroccan inspired tiles. There is a backsplash patterns to suit every taste and kitchen style. Explore the endless possibilities and let your creativity shine as you transform your kitchen into a stunning space that marries functionality with visual splendor. Thank you for watching.